Thank you. The law. There is a procedure. I don't know where the FCT minister does not like to follow due process of law. He must take them to a tribunal. There's a tribunal. It is after the FCT has won. You can go ahead and start bringing bulldozers. And you just carry bulldozer, no letter of revocation, nothing. You just operate brazenly as if we are in animal farm. So you see, I have already given him my own piece the last time. I don't want to keep, hitting somebody that is not fighting with me again. I don't think he's fighting with me again. Or is he still fighting with me?
No.
I don't think so. So as regards to the issue of the tax reform, we are talking, it's a bulky law. I'm still reading the law. And because I've not exhausted the law, it will be very improper for me to comment yet on it. I'm going to, in the new year, when I've finished reading the law, I'm going to comment formally on the law. Maybe I will come back again and we'll now talk extensively on the law. But the people shouting that they don't want the law, government must listen to them. You see, government exists primarily on the benefit and the purpose of the people. And that is why Section 14 of the Constitution says that sovereignty lies with the people, from wherein government derives all its powers. You understand? So it is the people who are the sovereign. Government is they are just caretakers. So the people shouting, we don't want this, we don't want this, government should listen to them. And government should consult extensively. What's the rush? What's the hurry about? Government should consult widely. I am still in the process because there are 4 different laws. 4. And one is so bulky. In fact, it will surprise you to know that majority of the senators, only 4 senators got the bill. And they already did second reading of the bill. Even the senators did not have the bill. It was when the pandemonium started that they started saying, we want the bill, we want to have a copy of the bill. I have just gotten copies of the bill, and it's too voluminous. So until I finish reading the bill and seeing the salient points of the bill, looking at the merit and the demerit of the bill, then I will not be able to comment on it. If I comment on the bill now, I'll be commenting from an uninformed position. And I want to comment so that it's just like when I commented on Wike, I did my research. So by the time I spoke, even him, you see that there has not been any agenda from him. So I want to be as explicit as